This is the twin-station plasma welding machine from Strategi Automation Solutions. The process begins with the operator manually loading child parts into the designated fixtures. While loading takes place on one side, the plasma welding operation happens parallelly on the other. This machine is integrated with biometric scan access, a DMC code scanner for traceability, a weld parameter monitoring system, and a gas monitoring system. A custom-made, Windows-based UI screen is designed to communicate with and control the different devices. The SCARA robot performs interpolated motion with utmost precision to fuse the child parts. Once welding is complete, the arm moves to a safe position and waits for the cycle start signal on the other side, while the safety door opens for finished part removal and fresh part loading. The cycle on the other side commences after the safety door closes. All safety interlocks, including light curtain sensors, are incorporated. After each part is welded, the voltage, power, gas flow, and other related parameters are logged into an SQL database against the scanned DMC for complete traceability. For more such automation solutions, visit us at www.strategiautomation.com. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.